Hello everyone and welcome to Prime Tech. So you decided to build yourself a PC, or you just even want to know how to do it. Well, in this video we'll talk about 2 tips or 2 questions that you really have to ask yourself before even building a PC right after this. So you decided to build a PC. Great. I think that is a great thing to do. You get a lot of bang for your buck, things like that. A lot of better quality parts and performance too. But before you even set out to do any of those things, you have to ask 2 questions for yourself. The first question you got to ask, what do you need it for? Is it for content creation? Is it just for gaming, streaming, that type of stuff? That is very important. That is going to tell you what type of components you need to buy, so that way you have what you need in your system to be able to actually do the things that you want to do. The second one that we're going to talk about is the budget. And when we talk about budget, we don't necessarily mean anything as far as cheap. We could say I have $500 to set aside for a graphic card or for a processor or whatever you need. All it's telling you basically is that you're setting aside certain type of money or a certain amount of money to be able to purchase that kind of component that you want. So you have a budget of even $150 for whatever component you might need, something like a cheaper graphic card or anything like that. So those are the 2 questions that you really got to ask yourself even before you actually even consider building a PC. Well guys, this is a short video. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate it. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.